Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are, part 41. And unlike a lot of parts, I had to think about this one a little bit, just having to really think it through and see how useful it is, because it's actually an extremely useful principle. And on my first or second read through all these and like listening to the tape on YouTube and stuff like that, I didn't really get the huge use out of this one. But he has this idea of be still and know. That you, as the 41st principle here, that you want to just be still in your reality, in your life, etc., and just know that everything's going to work out, basically. So be still and know. At least that's how I interpret it, based on what he says about it. But he's saying a lot of striving, a lot of this problem comes from people needing to know, needing to know, needing to know, needing to know. And that's that need that really pushes things away. I don't want to beat the dead horse here, but Stuart Wilde has a very similar concept about how when you lean on people by needing things, you kind of push them away, or you lean on things you need, you kind of push them away, like metaphysically. And here, Dr. Wayne Dyer is just, I think what he's saying is pretty useful, because a lot of people have this need to know this. I need to know this. I need to know my job's going to work out. I need to know this trade's going to work out. I need to know I'm going to win the next hand at like blackjack. I need to know, need to know, need to know. And the fact is, if you have this sense of certainty in the long run, you're still, so you're not like so worried and panicked about everything. When you're still and you know that it's going to work out in the long run, then you're not really concerned about the short run, the small things. You're just like, in the long run, it's going to work out. I mean, think of it like a blackjack game. Think of it that way. Or think of it like a roulette wheel for the casino. With enough spins of the wheel, the casino will continue to make money. It has like a 3% edge. So we spin it 100 times, the casino is going to win like 53 times and lose 47 times. So if we lose a few times in a row and we're the casino here, we have the edge. It doesn't actually matter. We just keep spinning the wheel and soon enough we'll be the winner. And that's the idea with life that he's really presenting, or at least that's how I'm interpreting it, that you need to be still and know. Don't worry about the small things and just keep spinning the wheel as the casino, and soon enough you're going to be a net winner. Have that sense of certainty in the long run, and it's okay to have a sense of uncertainty in the short run. That doesn't matter, because as long as you are certain in the long run that everything's going to work out, then there's nothing to be concerned about. At least that's how I'm interpreting this 41st principle. But you guys tell me how you guys feel about it, and I will see you guys next time with the 40-second video. Yep, 40-second video, life, the universe, and everything. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy there, clearly. But yeah, see you guys next time.